EVTI, is the Electric Vehicle Technical Institute incorporated with the EV professor, Dennis Miles, a senior CET and experienced vocational educator, training professional mechanics and shop managers. EV technology, high voltage safety, repair, service, and building electric vehicles in a classic apprenticeship-styled 6-week program. We include 240 hours of instructor and trainee contact, that is, 180 hours in a live work service shop and 60 hours in the classroom. EVTI has a balanced program of theory and genuine hands-on electric car service shop experience. We include entrepreneurship, and better managers, and better shop employees, are the result. First responder, hobbyist, and EV owner courses are also to be provided, as a subset of the full curriculum. In this way, and others, we support the service infrastructure of EV and hybrids. Non-profit, or profitable, status, is, at this stage, our choice. The entire operation can be organized as a non-profit, public charity 501c3 educational facility. The corporation has not been previously designated as non-profit. However, if such designation is desired, we have 15 months, after $5,000 in donations is accepted, under IRS rules, to make application to the IRS, with full expectation of approval. Application fee is almost $900. An apple with a wrench/worm and 2 types of charging outlets is being considered for a logo. Sustainable Energy R&D Center, our educators and staff members, all have professional skills. To more efficiently use these skills, we will develop solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, and combinations. Examples are solar-enhanced heat pumps for heating and cooling buildings, and innovative EV charging solutions. Additional concepts can be developed, as funding will allow. In this way, and others, we contribute to our industry. The Alternative Industry Startup Co-working Space, the presence of the training center, with experienced educators, and EV, technical classes, industrial, safety classes, entrepreneurship classes, and the R&D center, with experts present. Providing a nurturing environment for new business, in the initial stages, to network with others, having kindred spirits, at their critical time, to promote cooperative solutions to complex problems for these new business startups. Serendipity multiplication is part of the integral nurturing atmosphere, all at very minimal fees, including high-speed internet, Wi-Fi hotspot, utilities, and more. Too many small business incubators just rent office space. The space will be accessible from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. on Monday to Friday, and 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Saturday. A total of 84 hours per week, therefore, each individual has personal scheduling flexibility. In this way, and others, we support the community around us. The EV professor standing next to a Chevy Volt. The demand for vocational training is growing. Attendance has risen over 8% in the past year, and with returning military veterans, enrollment will increase for the next several years. The unemployed realize that a plumber makes more than a dentist. Many service area jobs are open. However, suitable training is not provided by universities. Electric vehicles are quickly becoming the newest trend in vehicles, and that market will continue to grow. But more mechanics must be trained properly to safely and accurately service, build, and repair EV that isn't now available. Generally, the experienced auto mechanics are unqualified on EV. According to OSHA regulations, additional training is required to work on an EV or hybrid because of the high voltages present. Infrastructure is second only to price in influencing the slowing of the sales and adoption of electric transportation. By infrastructure, we don't mean only charging opportunities. There are other facets of infrastructure which have been almost ignored. At Electric Vehicle Technical Institute Incorporated, we are very pro-EV and also education pros, teaching the technology of electric vehicles, including hybrids, so mechanics and technicians can safely and smartly work on, build, service, and repair EV and the several related technologies, rebuilding electric motors, assembling and troubleshooting motor controllers, and testing or remanufacturing battery packs and EVSE, charging station, installation, service, or repair. We don't recommend discarding components indiscriminately, but repairing them when it is sensible to do so. And our entrepreneurship program develops the supervisory skills so a person will be a better employee. Or they can run their own shop for EV, EVSE, or hybrid service, as well as an EV motor controller or battery pack rebuilding shop. Universities, colleges, and public vocational schools are not providing this training at this time. In this way, and others, our potential competitors demonstrate their lack of knowledge of our EV technology and reinforce the need for our services. Local colleges continue to teach practical nursing and manicuring. Notice how clean a EV shop is. According to OSHA standards, any and all employees who may come in contact with any high-voltage device must be properly trained. OHSA, Electric Standard Regulations 1910-332. In this way, and others, we demonstrate the need for our training. It is mandated by regulations. Switch on your EV career at EVTI. We need assistance with initial funding. It will take only $500,000 in additional funds to start and open the first campus, because we are a new business and not a startup manufacturer. There will not be a second round of financing, and we are contemplating profits and dividends at the end of the second year. A partner with a good credit rating and about $75,000 to $100,000 could enable alternative financing for the total funding needed. See our webpage, http://www.evti.org, for more details, or phone 863-944-9913 or 863-944-2419. We answer our phones from noon to midnight, Eastern Time Zone. We answer personally. The Electric Car Service Shop provides live work for the apprentice program. The end. Thank you for your time.